Okay, let me start the editable poly method. Okay, so for that what you have to do, go to here, take one box. Okay, any size of box you can take from here. Okay, now we want to create this wall. Okay, so go and right click, convert to editable poly. Okay, after that what you can do, go to the top. Okay, take vertex, select these vertex and connect with this. Okay, so what is the length of wall we need, we can choose from here. Next direction, suppose 4000 or 5000, 11,000. Okay, not 11,000, would be for 6,000. Okay, so the 6,000 because this we made is big. Okay, no problem. Now connect this one, and the thickness of wall we need 200. Okay, now go to the front. Okay, check height, and height we need suppose 3500. Now this is the wall we have. Okay, check. Okay, so if I want to make one new wall, okay, what I will do, select this one, edge. Okay, top edge and bottom edge, and right click, connect. So one connection line will be appear here. Okay, go to front, and this line from this corner I'm just connecting on that corner. Okay, why? Because I want to displace this line, this left side, only the 200 distance. Okay, so make this minus 200. Got it? Mm. Now if you will see, I have this one complete object, but this here I made 200 separate segments, where we can see here, go and edge face. Okay, if you want you can take picture, edge face, so you will see easily what we have done here. See, okay, this is the line which I created. Now go here, select this polygon. Okay, and go to extrude. Okay, click, then check, and now you can take new one directly, we can get from here. Go to the top, suppose what size you need here, you can type y direction, suppose 6,000 same or 5,000. Sorry, minus, you have to take in minus 5,000. Okay, so this wall we have created here. Same this side we need, again go, edge, connect, connect. Okay, now this left side, z, put it in corner. Okay, minus 200. Again you go here and polygon, select, then extrude it. Whatever you need you can extrude from here also. Suppose I need 5,000 or 6,000. Okay, got it? Now I want to connect this wall up to here, but here I need door also. Okay, so what I will do, go to the top, and first take here one connection line, edge, select, select, Okay, again connect. X direction 200. Take polygon. Okay, and extrude. Now here 1 meter door we are taking 5000 the wall distance, so 4000 we have to take here. Okay, or if you want you can take it back more. Okay, but I am not taking, it's okay.
What about the top part where the door is?
So now again we want this side. Now same method is select, now connection of this one. Okay, what the height you need?
2500.
Put it down. Okay, and take the height is in y direction 2200. Okay, again polygon, select. Okay, and extrude. Now here I need 1000. It's connecting here. Okay, or you can take 200 back, so 800. Okay, now select this one, top, put it. So this is the method of convert to editable, by that we can create an object. Suppose here I need floor, so I can create floor also. How? Take this one. There's so many methods, but one with the connection I am just telling you. Okay, take this one, connect. Okay, F3. This one, suppose floor height we need 150. Okay, select polygon. Okay, extrude. If you want outside you can take from it for this portion only. Okay, so I hope you understand. So do that one, then we will discuss more about this. Okay.